Welcome to our new lesson in the search engine optimization, which is a part of module 3. In the last lesson, we have learned on-page SEO, and in this lesson, we're going to learn about off-page SEO. So let's quickly look at the lesson agenda. So we'll be looking at off-page SEO off-page SEO optimization. Also look at do follow links and no follow links, link building, build backlinks, social bookmarking links, directory submission sites, building image links, building Q&A links. These all are related to the off-page optimization. So let's get on to it. Now, what do you mean by off-page optimization? As the name suggests, whatever things that is taking place outside our website is regarded as off-page optimization. Now in the on-page optimization, we have worked upon our website like meta title, meta description, and the keyword phrase. So all these things has been done on our website. Now anything which takes place off the website is regarded as off-page optimization. Steps taken outside the website is known as off-page optimization. Basically, it involves backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are the links on the website that when clicked takes the user to the another site. Backlinks, I'm repeating it, backlinks are the links on the website. Let's say backlinks, there are links that is on our website. When you click on that link, it is taking the user to the other website, which is nothing but a backlink to that particular website. See, now I am a Malappuram Digital Academy, wherein I am getting a backlink from an article which spoke about online training and all. So if they have mentioned my link in their article and the user who read that article clicking on that particular link and coming to me. Alright, now I'll show you the example, but how does the backlink work? The more the backlinks that you get from authoritative sites creates a positive effect on the site's ranking and search visibility. Let's take the example. Now, if say for example, if I stand in for an election as the Prime Minister of this country and you have Narendra Modi also contesting against me, whom do you vote? You vote for Narendra Modi, right? Because he is having the expertise in politics. Now when it comes to digital marketing, now I stand by, and there is also a person called Narendra Modi who is contesting. Now you generally probably might vote for me because I stand expertise in digital marketing. So similar way, basis on the subjects, it depends upon the website's authority. If the website which is having the authority in that particular subject, if they are recommending your website, if they are inserting your link in it, and the users are coming to your website, then obviously your authority, your search ranking will increases in search engines. I hope you are clear now, right? But please understand, the quality is very important, not the quantity. You might get hundreds of backlinks from the unauthoritative sites, which might not affect your ranking at all. Alright, so we have types of backlinks like do follow link and no follow link. So in a while we will also understand that, but before that let's look at the example on a live situation. I have taken a random examples like inventions in automobile industry. So let me go here and show it to you. There is an URL which I've copied from here itself. So let me see what happened to it. Yeah, can you see this is an article written in interestingengineering.com. the innovations about, there is an article about innovations. Now if you look at the Diesel engine here, this is the backlink to the other website. Please understand, all these links might not be a backlink. This might be a link to the pages of the current website itself. So now you need to check. Now let's see, if I click highest thermal efficiency, let me open this URL for you, open link in a new tab, which I have already done it. Can you see this? Why are diesel more efficient? The highest. Now it is guiding me to this particular website. This is where it is happening. Let me close this to avoid confusion. So this is where it got opened. What is this website? This website is autoguide.com. Alright, now this has been promoted by whom or recommended by whom? This has been recommended by interestingengineering.com. So autoguide.com is getting a backlink from interestingengineering.com. This is how the backlink work. Clear? Yeah, I hope you are clear now. Yeah. So let's look at what are do follow link and no follow link. See, generally in 2005 Google has come up with this words called do follow link and no follow link. Now do follow link or do follow backlink passes the authority, like link juice, from the referring website to the linked website. Now what do the crawlers do? The crawlers count these links and their anchor text. When I say anchor text, I'll show it to you how the anchor text looks like. It is nothing but the most important keyword on that particular page or in that particular article. Therefore, do follow backlinks directly influence your backlink profile as the sender signal to search engines what is linked in the website about. Now coming down to the no follow links. No follow links do not allow search engine bots to follow your links. So in a nutshell, if you put across do follow links suggest the search engine to follow that link, whereas no follow links or no follow backlinks does not allow search engine bots to follow your links. These no follow links do not pass the link juice. You can follow it, but it does not have any impact on the search engine. When I say impact, it is a page rank and does not have any no SEO value. But yes, as a website you should have both do follow and no follow links as well. Clear? So how do we identify these links? These are written with a code, but you need not have to be expert in writing a code because we have built the website on our WordPress, so it is automatically detected. But for your information, let me show you how the code looks like. This is how any code starts with ahref. This is your website address, rel, do follow, and this is called as the anchor text. This is called as the anchor text. And the other way is also there, wherein even though if you do not have rel is equal to do follow, still it is regarded as a do follow link. Whereas for a no follow link, rel is equal to no follow is mandatory. I'm repeating it, rel is equal to no follow is mandatory. No follow links must have the tag rel. If not, then it will be regarded as a do follow link. So let's identify with a demo. So there are two ways that you can identify whether it is a no follow link or a do follow link. Now let me go ahead to the earlier website which we have taken up. So that is the interestingengineering.com. What I do is I'll do a right click on my mouse, and on this page I'll go to view page source. So Control F and type no follow, then you will see the no follow links that are appearing. Apart from this, you need not have to search for do follow because all the links that might take you to the other website are the do follow links available on this page. Clear? This is one methodology of doing it. The other method is that you will have to have a Chrome extension on your browser. So install that Chrome extension. Then this is the icon. Once it is successfully installed, I have already installed it. This is how it will look like on your website, and it talks about, it will also show you whether red mark talk on a web page is regarded as no follow and sponsored. So this, do not look into this as for the time being. So let me go back to this particular page. Now can you see this higher thermal efficiency? If I click here, you can see this no follow coming up. Now let's see how many other links that are available on this site which are no follow up. So this is also it is. This is the no follow up links for you. So I hope you have got an idea about how to identify a no follow link. Now let's go back to our website and write the follow link. Alright, so before that let me copy this, or let's not, because you can always copy this, whereas on a safer note, please copy this and keep it ready. So let's go to our WordPress website, log in there, go to settings, go to writing, default editor for all users. Click on classic editor. If it is default by a classic editor, please leave the same. Now go to the post, add new post, so let me write it as test post. Alright, now here go to the text here and click on code. Earlier what used to happen is, we used to copy that code here, but now we do not require anything, so we can go ahead and take this off. So just you need to click on the code part, click on code, click on link. Now you have to type in the URL of that website which you wanted to have. Let me type it for you now. So let me type it for you here. The website that you would like to have, that is www.mallapuramacademy.online, and link the text as digital marketing training. So this is what I'll be. So let me type it here for you, www.mallapuramacademy.online. Now remember the anchor text. So the anchor text is gonna be, for me it is gonna be digital marketing training. So add link. So can you see this code which is automatically copied here? Let me publish this. Once I publish it, now now Archie's Beauty Clinic has a post talking on some digital marketing training, and it is giving a link to Mallapuram Academy. So let me click on this post to view whether it is working or not. So where did we write this post? We have written this post in Archie's cart.online. Now let me click, see, you can see here, this is the anchor text. Now if I click on it, whether it will open the other website or not is something that we will see. So it is opening up. Alright, clear? So I would request you to create multiple posts for your understanding, and I'll also show you some of the other how to build a backlinks in different portfolios. So let's go ahead and look into building the other backlinks in the next lesson. So thank you and see you in the next lesson.